morning everybody. From the category of VSM for AVR and under the subcategory of Arduino, from the sample I choose example 22, that is the Arduino DTH22 humidity and temperature sensor test. In that I wrote this following code. First of all, I included the DTH header file and I defined two of the functions to be 8 and DTH22. Now in the void setup, which will run for only one time, I chose the pin mode to be 13 output. This means that my output pin is the number 13. In the void loop, first of all I delayed the function by 2 seconds and I declared variable A, B, C, which are humidity, temperature and temperature if true respectively. This first if function, if the temperature is less than 15 or greater than equal to 28 and the humidity is less than 25, this function will run, which means that 13th pin will be high for 1 second and 13th pin will be low for 1 second. This is the OR operator which I used. Similarly, in the next if function I did the same. 13th pin will be high for 500 millisecond and 13th pin will be low for 500 millisecond if these two following conditions are satisfied. Now furthermore, I printed the humidity A, temperature B and degree Celsius C and heat index as HI. Now that I compiled my code successfully and in the schematic capture, I will run the simulation and after 2 seconds the LED will blink. As I have set my relative humidity to 20 and temperature to be around 10, which is less than 15 degrees centigrade, and the relative humidity is less than 25. Therefore, my LED will blink after every 1 second in the first if statement. Now from the debug I went to the virtual terminal and here's the screen. Yes, after 2 seconds it will display, and that's it for my first part. Now for the part 2 of my assignment, under the category of VSM for AVR in the subcategory Arduino, from the sample I choose example 4, that is Arduino and RGB common cathode LED. Here I will show how to use the oscilloscope to find the time period of the blinking LED. First of all, I wrote this code in which in the line number 19 I chose the output pin to be the 13th pin, and in the void loop I wrote this command. In the first wave the high will be of 500 millisecond and in the low will be of 1000 millisecond. In the second the high will be of 250 millisecond and the low will be of 500 millisecond. Similarly the third wave. Here I compiled the code successfully and in the schematic capture I will run the simulation and here we can see the LED is blinking. Now here as you can see, I connected the terminal D to the IO13 of the LED, and after running the simulation and opening the digital oscilloscope, and I got the wave. So this is the second wave, and after some time, after T off, the third wave is generated, which is of 2 seconds, and again that T off for third wave is longer, that is of 4 seconds. Waiting for the first wave to come. Now here it comes. Here my part 2 ends. Thank you.